Hi guys, Dev-initly Mario here. Today we want to work on a horror game. Um, yeah, what we need next. We got so far our EMF and our infrared thermometer. So now we want our ultraviolet light, our UV light. Yeah, or our UV lamp. Let us go to Unreal Engine. So what we need first is what we need always first. We need an equipment. And we want to create an actor. Here. B UV lamp. So fast, so easy. We open it. We add a static mesh here. Lamp. And we want here our flashlight. I think it is in our fab folder. Yeah, here. Oh no, not want to open it. I only want to select it so I can't put it there. So here is our UV lamp. It has nearly the same. So if you want, you can change its appearance a little bit, but for the sake of the video, that's not my point here. My point here is to make a functional UV light. So let us bring here add a scene, capture 2D component, this thing here. And let us bring it on the, no. Thing. I want to, yeah, let us make it here 90 degrees by this, yep. And I want to bring it here to the end of this. Yeah, maybe so. So under this, we need two spotlights. Spotlight one, and we want one more spotlight, and we name that spotlight low. So to demonstrate it, we want to have a rendered texture. So we go here and we bring it. We got no folder. So we make one. Texture. And here we want to create a render. Yeah, a render target texture. And we call it masked texture. Here we forget the underscore. So we got this now. That's our texture. And we want to put our scene capture in it. So we need to find the thing called texture target. So you can put it here if you not misspell. And now you can put it here. And we have our mask texture. That means everything this is filming goes into this texture. Okay, so far so good. Next we want to do is settle some rendering features. And here we want the post-processing. Here we add someone asset reference. Now we need a material. So we go into our materials folder, we make one material, and we call it UV mask, because it will does exactly that. So, and in here we want to add a scene texture. This one here. And we want to bring the scene texture ID to metallic. I searched a little bit around and I think metallic fits our needs at best. Now we need on color a if node. So we bring it here. So now you could see enable threshold at 0.00001. But we not want to lose our metallic. We want to not filter out all metallic. We want a specific one so we can adjust it by ourselves. So we take metallic at a threshold from 0.01. And the const B we would put on 0.05. Yeah. Now we need to add two constants. You remember we pressed 1 and left mouse key. And we go here and here. 1 left mouse key, we put it on 1. And we put it here. Now we want to put between these two a mask. Oh, we only want. Oh. When we make it down, I'll bring it a little down. Yep. And connect the pin to the emission collar. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I know. We want the surface to post-processing. And now it's all black. And now we can save it. With the Q on your keyboard, you can align them so it looks a little bit better. So now we want to see what our UV light is rendering. So we put a plane in the scene. Oh, basic, not basic, shapes. Plane. We want to rotate it by 90 degrees in this direction. And for the sake of easy to handle, we want to put it here. Scale it a little. So we make our own public viewing. So here. And we want to expand it here a little so we can have a nice and easy see. And we put the mask on it. So now if we would bring a UV light here, rotate it a little bit, and we start the scene it should give up something on the render texture, but it not. So, okay. Short moment, I will not waste your time. Okay. The UV mass is not that there is a render target goes in. So we have to make material. We won't call this render UV. And here we want to go to the content browser and put our texture in it. And if we now go back to the scene and put it here, we see whatever the UV lamp is see. So if we rotate the UV lamp, we see whatever the UV lamp is seeing. Now we want to set up a mask for this renderer. So let us make a new material. M_light mask. And by this, I see we have forgot on nearly any material we make the M_ for materials. We will make, like I write in the roadmap for the next videos, a video where we clean up mess like this. So, open it. And now we have to change this. We have to change the material domain to light function, like this. Now we put here the render target 2. We go from the red to the emission. And now we have to change the sampler type from color to linear color. Then we have to change something more here. We want to go to the screen capture component, and we want to change this here to final color. We save that. Are you sure you wish to continue? Continue. So what is exactly the error? Okay, let us stay with color. So now we could save it. Now let us go a little more deeper to scene capture component. Go to hidden flags and make the game out and the lightning out. We only want the post processing. Next, we want to go on the lighting. Yeah, again, I misspell it. We go on the lightning feature show flags and we uncheck all of this. And we go further to the lightning component show flags and we uncheck this too. For our UV filter, we also need no skylighting. And we want to go on the post processing. Move it down. Oh, here on the post processing show flags, we could uncheck all. We don't need them for our purpose. Then we want to go, let us give the word flags in it, so we don't have to write all flags every time. So we want to uncheck here everything too, because again, we don't need it for our purpose. Okay, sure, we need the foliage in the grass, so we can put on them our lights. Here, spotlight low, and we want to use our light function. Oh, we're not selected, so let us go to material, light mask, and bring it here. So now we need something what our render target can pull. So let us bring in a shape, a little cube. Yeah. Let us bring it here. Here. Yeah, maybe. Let's make a material for it. Underscore solid, maybe red. Open it. We need a base color for that. So let us make picture. I am short mode. So we need here, you can put param, we need a vector param here. We go from here to here. We want to make it red. So solid red. It's best. And now we want a constant. Okay, we can simply press 1 and left mouse click. We want to bring it to the metallic, and we want 0.05. And now we have to put our new material, and put it on our cube. You can check if the metallic renderer sees this. If you go on here, go on buffer visualization, sorry for that, and press on metallic. You see the scene is dark, but our cube is there, so our renderer can get the cube like we want. So at this point, we stop the video. We are now on 18 minutes. We will finish the effect and put a real fingerprints on the door in the next video. And yeah, so we finish our UV light in the next video. I hope you learned something. Have a nice day. See ya.